Hazrat Israel states that I met Hazrat Abu Moosa Ash'ari radiyallahu anhu in Kufa when he the latter went to Ibn Shubrama and said, escort me to Isa bin Musa. Ibn Shubrama got frightened and he did not do so. Hassan Basri says that when Imam Hassan bin Ali radiyallahu anhu raising a huge army advanced towards Hazrat Muawiyah radiyallahu anhu, Hazrat Amr bin al-As radiyallahu anhu said to Hazrat Muawiyah radiyallahu anhu, I am witnessing such forces as will not turn back until they force their opponent army to retreat. Hazrat Muawiyah radiyallahu anhu thereupon said, who will then look after the progeny of the Muslims? Hazrat Abdullah bin Amir and Hazrat Abdur Rahman bin Samura radiyallahu anhu said, we will meet him, Imam Hassan radiyallahu anhu, and request him to make peace. Hassan Basri states that he heard Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu say that while the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was delivering a sermon, Hazrat Imam Hassan radiyallahu anhu came there. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, this son of mine is a chief, and perhaps Allah Jalla Jalaluhu may get the two big parties of the Muslims reconciled by means of him. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 7109.